Oh my gosh, she's back at it again. Utopia, and she brought some friends. Yeah. Hey, well, technically they're family, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Run the intro. Welcome to Embarkation. You see, sun's up, buns up, but there's one catch. Embarkation is delayed. So it's about 11 a.m. We're checking out of our hotel. We stayed at Hilton Garden Inn. That's pretty much right around the corner from Terminal 1. We are delayed this morning. We were supposed to embark at about 10:30 this morning. Got all excited about having that express pass to get in. However, we are delayed. Reason being is because of rough winds out at sea. So every single patron that is scheduled to board Utopia today received an email about 2 days ago to let us know that we will be delayed. We didn't get a firm time until last night, and so we will be slated to board at about 5 p.m. tonight with a departure, I believe, at about 10. Hopefully with everybody ready and trying to get on board on time so that way they can indulge on day one, because it's a little delayed. I believe everybody will be there on time. Everybody that flew in today, the good graces of God have delayed the ship so that way they get on time. So next stop is find something to do until 5 p.m. So come on, let's go. We'd planned to have our first meal of the day on board, but with the change of schedule, we needed to make other arrangements. So we came to First Watch, a breakfast, brunch, and lunch spot on the outskirts of Daytona Beach. They usually have early morning to early afternoon hours with a delectable selection to choose from, particularly the $1 Million Bacon. After brunch, we traveled further into Daytona Beach to the Tanger Outlets. I was not supposed to spend any more money. So I came across a Buff City soap. I hadn't been here in quite a while. My mom usually sends me some. Mom, I need some more. But since I did drive down here to Florida this time, I'm going to pick up a good little bit of things that I can put in the car, have them until I get back off the cruise, and take home and wash some clothes. So let's see what we can find. Alright, so we made a quick stop at the Daytona Beach Tanger, and we are on our way back to the port area. We should make it back about 4:10 p.m. Our embarkation time is at 5 p.m. So we're going to see if we're able to get into park. So let's go. By the way, don't take me to no Tanger ever again. Why? Because I bought stuff for the cruise that I did not need. I bought some laundry detergent that I probably will need, even though I'm not going to wash my clothes for about 2 weeks. And what else did I buy? Oh, we did get a cup and some other stuff. So we are excited.
Let's go, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go, let's go.
Oh my gosh, she's back at it again. Utopia, and she brought some friends. Hey, well, technically they're family, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so onboarding to Utopia. We have finally made it to the line to get into cruise terminal number 1. But of course, with our delay, unfortunately, there is an abundance of people here. Okay, so we don't know who is who. We don't know if they're 5 o'clock or 8 o'clock. But we shall see when it's time for us to go ahead and check in. 2 people within our party got expressed this time. Maybe they'll let the other 2 slide in. If not, it's all good because, hey, we've done this before. We're excited. I just want to see what these other 2 are going to feel through the thrills and chills that we have experienced on Utopia before. So super excited. So let's get ready. Hey, y'all ready? Yeah. Woohoo! Let's go. We're back again, but this time I'm a little tired because it is after 5 a.m. I mean 5 p.m. So we are loading up. We're on board. It took a little while, but we are on board. So we are taking a little bit of a break in Boleros. I got my first drink of the cruise. Just a little Jack and ginger ale. Okay, guys. Much deserved. How you feeling, Mom?
Great. Ready to get started.
Yeah, ready to get started. It's gonna be a long night. What about you? You ready?
I'm ready.
What you drinking? Ginger ale?
Regular ginger ale.
Okay, little razzle dazzle. Okay. Right, so we're not sure exactly what time our rooms will be done or available. Usually, of course, on a traditional cruise, they're available about 1 p.m. But since we had a delayed embarkation today, we're not sure exactly what time our rooms will be done. So we're just chilling for now, but stay tuned for our evening. Hey y'all, so we've made it to our room finally. So 7 p.m. all rooms were open. So, you know, technically we are used to that 1 p.m. So right now we are slowing the motion down. We are tired. We've had a long day. So of course we went to the Tanger Outlets in Daytona. We went and grabbed something to eat for brunch today at First Watch. And so we are a little tired. We have a balcony room. I'll show you guys that. If you haven't watched our very first video on Utopia, we did have a balcony room as well. But if you didn't watch that one, I'll go ahead and link it somewhere in this video for you guys. But king size bed, balcony, TV, bam, full size mirror. Hey y'all, what's up? Bathroom, full dome shower. Of course, if y'all looked at my Star of the Seas video, I looked for my clothesline. This is where my clothesline is. I always bring clothespins. Go bathroom. Not too much space, but a decent amount of space to get what you need to get done. All right, as I said before, typical king size bed, very comfortable. So I know a lot of people have had some complaints about these beds, but we don't have any issues in sleeping in these beds. Very comfy. Full size TV. Of course, the very first thing you'll see is your muster drill if you haven't done it already. We did it via the app, and then we did go and attend our muster station. You have 2 closet areas. Of course, you can always stow your luggage right up under the bed as well once you pull all of your all of your outfits and so forth out. There are some additional drawers over here along with the cooler. Remember, cooler and not refrigerator, so it cools to room temperature, just below room temperature, and that is it. But on a hot day it feels really good and refreshing if you have water in it. Typical desk area, vanity mirror. We did order water this time just so that way I don't have to play where's Waldo with the water. I'm going to put a couple of them in there. I did give some to my mother-in-law and to my baby over in the other room. So once again, we have the balcony room. And we have not left yet because remember, we are delayed. We were delayed because they had strong winds incoming last night, and so therefore, of course, our embarkation was a little delayed because their debarkation was delayed. And so we are waiting to leave. I think our time is approximately 9 o'clock tonight. But overall, we are grateful to be on the ship. We got here on time. It was a massive crowd when we got here, but all in all, we are enjoying our room. We're relaxing, and we'll take you to see some of the nightlife a little later. So over and out. Right, so what we finna do?
We gotta do something. We just got on the ship, y'all, and this has been I can't even talk. A different experience.
True story. So we promised y'all that next time we got on Utopia that we were gonna see the nightlife and the sights and all the things in between. However, since we were delayed in getting on today, we just got into the room at 7 p.m. So he's trying to get his dance move out ahead of time because y'all know that's what y'all look for in our videos. If that isn't what you look for in our videos, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and go and look at these other videos where he always has some type of signature dance move that looks like Elaine off of Seinfeld. Those those prepackaged dance moves that he always seems to bring. But anywho, we're going to try to find some type of nightlife tonight. I believe they have some type of nightclub party tonight, as well as another party that they have, I think, One Hit Wonders tonight on in the Royal Promenade. So we will take you guys there. I'm trying to decide on if I want to if I want to wear what I have on already or if I'm going to change into something else. I probably do need to change because I was so tired that I sat in Bolero on my pizza plate that I put in my chair because I was trying to reconfigure it for 4 chairs to fit. And I sat on my pizza plate that had ranch on it because hey, guess what? By the way, y'all always know Sorrento's always is the clutch place for ranch. So I had the ranch on the plate and I sat on it. So I have a big old spot on my butt. Thank goodness I have on these spandex black pants because you can't really see it. Probably thought it was sweat, but I put my sweatshirt over it. But all is well in the neighborhood. But remember, if you ever need some ranch on any of the Royal Caribbean ships that has Sorrento is going to be your clutch place for your ranch. It may not be in the main dining room. It may not be in the Windjammer. It may not be in Park Cafe or anywhere else on the ship. But just note that you can always get ranch there. So, off of my side note, back on the straight and narrow, we're going to figure out what we're going to do tonight. Even though we are tired, we'll be zombies down there, but we'll enjoy it for y'all. So stay tuned for that.
Oh, baby.
Thank you, babe.
Enjoy.
Hey y'all, so good evening. It is about 10:45 p.m. day 1. Okay, we are exhausted. You hear me? With that delayed embarkation, we are tired and we are sick of Sorrento's already. We have eaten Sorrento's twice already today because main dining room was booked up. Windjammer was crammed up, like jammed literally up, and so they closed at about 9 o'clock, even though we had a delayed arrival. So we are exhausted. We are still a little hungry, I would say. But we can't do any more tonight. So tomorrow, I promise you guys, on day 2, we are going to show you a little bit more of the ship to include some of the nighttime life or nightlife. However, tonight we are going to bed. Okay? Good night. See y'all tomorrow. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with day 2, 3, and 4 aboard Utopia of the Seas. So have a good evening. See you tomorrow.